Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got a quick unboxing of some items from Stio. So we're going to take all three of these out here at the beginning, and then we'll deep dive into each one. Then we'll give these a full review over about a month's of use, and so be on the lookout for the follow-up videos to these as well. All right, so let me open this box up real quick. It's really big, so I'm just gonna do this on the side and then we'll pull the items out one at a time. So the first item here, these are the men's rivet cord. I've had a pair of these for about 3 years now and I absolutely love them. However, I got them caught in a barbed wire fence when I was out on a photography trip, and so I've been wearing them with a hole in the back of the leg for I don't know how long. So I broke down and bought a pair, another pair of the same color and everything, but they're awesome cords, super comfortable. This next item here is pretty big. This is the men's Fernos insulated jacket. And I tried this on in the store up in Boulder and absolutely loved this jacket, so had to go ahead and get it. And then the last item, but not least, are some shoes. These are the men's Coulter Mid, so we're going to take a look at each one of these separately here. Okay, so our second item here is the men's Fernos insulated jacket. Let's pull that out. Sorry about all the noise with the packaging too, by the way. Oh yeah, this thing's sweet. Check it out. So it's got this really nice hood on it with the stretchy material on the front. As always, nice zipper. Great branding. This is a size medium. And I love all the little details that Stio puts on their clothing. So this will be a mid layer, but it could also be used in the spring too when it's a little bit warmer. Could also be used as a layer when you're going up the skin track too. But this, what made me think of looking at this jacket was the Fernos knickers. And if you haven't seen my video on the Fernos knickers, check down in the description below. I'll put the link down there. They are absolutely wonderful. I have gone from, the typical thermal base layer to just wearing the knickers and then, a nice thermal top. And then this would be a nice mid layer. So you definitely got to check out the Fernos line from Stio. They're awesome. Right off the bat, these pockets look great. And I've actually tried this on in the store like I mentioned before, so I know that this is going to be a nice jacket. Love the detail on the back here, as well as the drawstring on the hood too to cinch that down. So a few key points here. Soft microfiber shell with peak feel active synthetic insulation. It has that fixed adjustable hood for a low profile weather protection. It's a regular fit with a casual shape design that's not too tight and not too baggy, so you've got some freedom of movement with this jacket, which is really nice. In about a month or so after I get this on the hill, we'll report back to you, let you know how this thing is. And I think you would really, really love this. I mean, this is super soft material. It feels so good. And kudos to Stio on all the nice design elements too, where this gives you some flexibility here, which is really nice. Flexibility under the armpit as well. Just a wonderful, wonderful jacket. I know I'm gonna absolutely love this. From a durability standpoint, that's one thing that I want to put to the test. I don't know quite quite how durable this is going to be, especially if you caught it on a piece of equipment or something, carrying your skis over your shoulder, you know, that type of thing. But I'll report back to you and let you know. Again, I'll put a link down in the description below for stio.com. And while you're down there, if you would please hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and that really super helps out the channel. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.